Hello?
Mr. Derrick Morgan, you ever tell me that talk about me when me coming up back? I mean, I say that I'm going to continue, remember? You never give
Derrick,
me
them,
touch.
you know, when you did that ask curious, so I said me that go give you something. A Panama, them not see you got Panama already.
Yeah, me come back.
They know one up. And when you did that go Panama, me say, me I go give you something. Boy, you go.
You can see your spread.
Me nah nothing you know. When Christmas time come, me give you something.
Alright, darling. You said you're out here.
Yeah, me there at Jamaica.
Oh, so you're Africa, you're PhD.
Yes. All right.
Alright.
Yeah. Me say, follow you, man.
What the Jesus? I mean nothing now. Yes, it's what I go.
A few moments later.
Me know about me Donna, me know that. We say we can't bother Donna right now. We can't bother Donna. Donna, alright. Donna, alright.
A few moments later.
Donna, you can't stop making video for me now. Stop it now. You done and gone from me yesterday. You go out, I put up video and I talk about this and I talk about that. Are you promise me now? Are you promise me I miss something? I just ask you. You put it up on social media. You put about I disgrace me. They can't disgrace me, Donna. Them can't disgrace me. They don't know nothing about me. Because everybody beg, everybody asks with things. You that glad if somebody asks you, Donna, for something, and you have put it up on social media, Donna. Donna, if you remember where you come from, Donna, stop it, man. If you stop it, don't look good, Donna. And all the blood clot from the people, them can't come off of me a blood clot. I run to me, I tell you. None of them can come off of me a bumbo. None of them can come from me at all. Because if you remember where you come from, Donna, if you remember where you come from, because I know where you disgrace when I class, when I bring me down, with the people them far. Some of them come draw me that straw, the whole of them, the whole of the people that come off of me, how they follow the real, how they followers them, come bite them, lava juice me, tell them to come lava juice me right now. All of the rest of them come me bumbo clan, them come lava juice me now, and leave me alone, tell them to leave me a ras clan alone. And still me come to me ask you, and you keep a go down and make video for me. Where am I video for me far? What me do? What me blood clan do? How me do? Everybody come from me for. With a bomb buckle, everybody come from me. What me do now? You don't leave me alone here. You don't leave me in Jesus' name. Leave me alone. Come in the trouble now. Leave me alone. With the mother rascal, the people that take from me for. Me ask her for something and she said, she give me, and I called her and asked her yesterday and she put it up on social media. People that run with me fucking name. On the leg of my name alone, on the leg of my rascal name alone, people. On social media, on the leg of my name. On the leg of my name. I don't want no call me name. Oh, I fuck with that. I fuck with that. Everybody with them blood clot move it talk. Oh, because nobody can't be nobody a bomber clot. I want everybody have live right now. Because I don't want to come from me for blood clot. Leave me alone here. Leave me alone. Everybody leave me alone. No.